Huh?
Why can't we get off the bed?
Yeah, it's July 5th, 2015. Yesterday was the 4th of July. Stand up real quick. Hey, Spiky. Stand up. Alright, what don't we do? Just Spike. Spiky, watch out. Come here. Let's stay. What don't we do?
Ow!
Really, Spike? Hi. What don't we do?
We don't do drugs, we don't do alcohol, we don't do cigarettes, because they're really bad for you, and your lungs could get black, and you can't really talk very well. You'll just talk like,
Now remember, no one's allowed to touch us in any bad areas. Alright?
And if somebody's being more late, you go tell a teacher and you go stick up for that person.
What are you going to tell a teacher in the summertime? In the summer. See, you're sitting there trying to memorize everything I'm saying, but we're not doing it like that.
But school year is coming up.
That's right, school year's coming up. But if there's a bowl or something, you go find a teacher, now I'm saying it. You go find an adult, find a police officer, firefighter, you go tell mommy and daddy. We keep secrets from nobody, okay? We do the best we can. You make sure to look out for your sister and for Maddie and Braden and Marilia, okay? Malin, he's a little young, isn't he? Okay.
And I still got him a Lunchable.
Yeah, I still got him a Lunchable. That one little girl, she was a cute little girl. She ended up eating it, so we got the right amount, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yesterday, what was your favorite part about yesterday? With the 4th of July and everything? What was your favorite part?
The popcorn and running around and everything.
Do you like the bounce houses and everything?
Yeah, but my most favorite parts were running, eating popcorn, and watching. The most of all was at the end of the fireworks. Boom, boom, boom.
Dum dum da da dum da da dum. And you know what I didn't hear yesterday? I didn't hear him play the Marine Corps hymn.
Okay, I'll play it.
Did you hear the Marine Corps hymn?
No.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll listen to it tonight.
From the halls of Montezuma, from the shores.
No, to the shores.
To the shores of Tripoli, we fight our country's battles on the land and air and sea. First to fight our rights.
First to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the titles of United States Marine. Hoorah. Come here. Alright. Now, don't forget, your Grandpa Jansen loves you with his entire heart. Don't forget that, okay? And don't forget Mommy and then Gabby.
I'm sticking my thumb inside Spiky's hair.
Yeah, don't forget Mommy and Gabby, they love you, okay? Braden, Maddie, and Matt, they love you. Megan, Maylin, and Marilia, they love you. Grandma and Poppy, they love you, okay? And don't forget Ann, Santee, River, Liam, and Jude, they love you, okay? Can you remember that? And can you remember this?
So the Staps love me.
Yeah, Sister Florence, everybody else.
Jansen loves me. And
You're getting hair on you. You're getting doggy hair on you. Hey, look at me.
Ew.
Stop. Come here.
Can you take a ruler to me?
A ruler? One of those roll brushes? Yes. Don't forget, Gracie, look at me. I love you, and I am proud of you. Okay? And it's not just a one-time thing. I love you and I'm proud of you for everything you accomplish and everything you do. Okay? I always have your back. Daddy's always right here. Remember that. I love you, sweetie, okay? Remember that? That's one reason why I make you brush your teeth, get showers, make you go for walks, eat healthy. It's the reason why I'm always teaching you something new, aren't I?
Mm-hmm.
So can you remember?
And to shake my hands if I have a
Jazz hands! No, that's just wrong. Okay? And we have all kinds of friends out there, don't we, that we always make sure we pray for. Even we can't think of their names sometimes, we always make sure we pray for them. Who?
Cindy.
Oh, you're talking about your friend
Ava.
Sydney.
Sydney and Ava and Nadia.
There you go. You got a lot of friends. There's more than that too. But just remember, okay? Have fun with life. Enjoy yourself. But don't do bad things. Okay? And remember to smile every day. Because you got a beautiful smile. And I love you. And you got beautiful eyes. Okay? You got daddy's eyes, didn't you? Alright, give me a hug and kiss. Come on. Okay, go on. Yeah. We're the ones being silly. Stand up. Oh, come on, old woman. Poor Spikey gets down there and kisses you to death. Right, come here, give me a hug and kiss.
I accept your kiss, but that
Come
was
here.
in my mouth.
Come here. Give me a hug and kiss. Let's go. Oh, I love you, Squirt. Don't ever forget that, okay? Sometimes we just want to hold on a little bit longer. I love you with my entire heart. Okay? Don't ever forget that.
Spikey, join in.
Alright, you want to put him outside real quick?
Yep, outside. Come on.
She's my little girl. I love her with my entire heart. Gracie, someday when you see this, know that I love you, okay? I'm not going to be here every single year. I might die 102, but after that. But just remember, I love you and I'm proud of you. You're my little girl. I would never trade you for anything. I'd never trade any of our moments for anything. Gracie, and just know how much your daddy, me, just know how much I love you, okay? Oh, love you, sweetheart. Oh. Did you put Spikey outside?